So I get this question quite a lot. So what are my blood results on my typical transscrotal testosterone cream TRT? Before we start, for all those interested in my lifting, I just uploaded in our merchandise store my total beginners complete body workout and my 2-day split upper lower body workout. Good morning. So I just wanted to share with you my most recent blood results from September the 1st on my typical TRT. So you probably by now all know that I'm using testosterone cream 20% compounded transscrotally twice a day. So I use 3 clicks, that's 150 milligrams in the morning, AM, 7 AM and 7 PM in the evening, same thing, 150 milligrams, 3 clicks with the TopiClick dispenser. So I will just read off these results before I mention what my total testosterone and free testosterone is. Hematocrit 50%, iron 138 micrograms per 100 milliliters, ferritin 107 micrograms per liter, vitamin B12 970 nanograms per liter, bit at the high side, but that's maybe all the supplementation I'm taking, cholesterol 154 milligrams per 100 milliliter, HDL 45, LDL 96, triglycerides 633, vitamin D 89.2 nanograms per milliliter. To be optimal for this laboratory reference range, it's between 40 and 100. So just you know, I'm taking 2 tablets of 4000 international units vitamin D in the morning. Then prolactin 11.05 micrograms per liter, estradiol E2 64 nanograms per liter, progesterone 0.5 micrograms per liter and DHEA sulfate 211 micrograms per 100 milliliter. So you might say, oh, the estradiol, the E2 is a bit at the high side. Yes, maybe so, but I don't have any symptom of that. No water retention, no nipple sensitivity. I've never had any issues with high E2. So why is this E2 so high? Probably because my testosterone is rather high on this dose. So let's have a look at the testosterone and albumin and calculated free testosterone. Well, here it is. So with my dose of daily 20% transscrotal testosterone cream, I get a total testosterone value from the laboratory of 1519.6 nanograms per deciliter, with an SHBG of 12.9 and an albumin of 43.9. So in this free testosterone calculator, a free testosterone calculator, I get a free testosterone of 53.6 nanograms per deciliter. So you might find this rather high, but let me remind you that reference ranges from past generations were up to 1500 nanograms per deciliter as well. So it's also about symptom resolution, because I can assure you I tried in 2017 when I started my TRT testosterone cream. I tried twice a day, 2 clicks, 100 milligrams, and even morning 2 clicks, evening 3 clicks, and I only got symptom resolution, so I feel completely normal and fine at this dose. So probably I just need these ranges and levels of testosterone in my blood. So if you have any comments or questions, leave them under this video in the comments. I will try to answer each and every one of them. So thank you, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next one.